another vlog, and look at this beautiful day outside. Before showing you guys anything, let me show you what we did, like what we added new to our patio. So we got some fresh cilantro that we have potted here. So we got this tiny marble here, come on. So we got this tiny pot, like these cilantro were already potted in these tiny pots. We got them and we planted them here in our garden. So there's mint, basil, cilantro, everything growing. Marble, come on. Go, Daddy's calling. So Marble is right here. It's really hot outside. You can see it's super sunny. And Marble doesn't want to go anywhere. He is just sitting right here. Right. So anyways, we just came back from the gym. I'm gonna go take bath now, make lunch, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Like, this is what is going on since morning. I was cleaning the house. Morning has been working, so our long weekend is over. We had so much of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video of how we met our epic love story. So we really had a lot of fun shooting that video, because we were just remembering everything, like, oh, you know what, this also happened and this happened. So it was really fun. And let us know in the comment section below whether you liked our story, and share some of your your moments, how you met or something like that. And I'm gonna take bath right now, and I'll see you guys once I'm taking bath. Okay, so I'm going to make lunch, and this time when we went for grocery shopping, we got this chicken bone broth from Trader Joe's, and I'm going to use this and make a soup. So I'm going to take this as a base, and I'm going to add so we got this also, what was the name? The name of this was mixed rice with some vegetables. So this has a lot of fiber, so it's not just white rice, it has white rice and brown rice and white rice and some other grains with lots and lots of veggies. You can see it has peas, carrot and zucchini, corn and all that stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up my chicken broth here, and I'm gonna let the broth boil, add a little bit of this, and that is going to be our lunch. We're gonna have a delicious healthy soup, because we did a very good workout, so don't want to eat anything bad. So let's get to cooking. My lunch is ready, and it smells so good. The chicken bone broth, oh my god, it has such an amazing like fragrance. And now I'm just gonna go enjoy my lunch, and I'll see you guys after my lunch. Okay guys, so I am making cottage cheese. Where's my milk? Here. So I'm gonna make, this is 1 gallon of whole milk. I'm gonna make cottage cheese, and I think it's gonna make somewhere around 450 to 500 grams of cottage cheese. I'll measure it once I make it, and I'll definitely let you guys.
Make 600 grams.
600 grams? Yeah. So 1 gallon of milk makes 600 grams of cottage cheese when you make it at home. So let's do it. Okay guys, paneer is done. So you guys just saw I squeezed it up very nicely, and then I placed it here in this plate, and then a plate above and something heavy on top of it so that it loses all the water. And once it's a little bit cooled down and I remove all the water, I'll just keep it in the fridge and it'll be that easy. And look at this guy right here. Marvel. Marvel. What are you doing? So we just decided to lie down here. And yeah, I'm still thinking what to make for dinner. I am thinking of making something different. Let's see. But when it comes to paneer, like whenever we want to make paneer, we both will sit and discuss what to make with the paneer, what he wants to make and what I want to make, and then we'll decide, okay, this is what we are going to do with the paneer, because we both love paneer so much. So, and once I remove all the water and everything, I'll weigh it before keeping in the fridge, and I'll show you how many grams it is. Okay, so let's weigh this. So this is the entire block of paneer, and now grams. Okay. This is 608 grams. Oh my god, from 1 gallon of milk. Let me give you a closer look. Okay, so 608 grams is this here, this cottage cheese. Mayank is finally off work, and look at him. What is happening there? Look at him stretch. Marva, is Daddy playing with your ears? Daddy? So yeah, this is how our normal Tuesday is going today. After, yeah, I did. After the long weekend, he's busy with work, I'm busy with these things, and yeah, we don't have any plans of going out, right?
You wanna go to the gym?
Again? We went to the gym in the morning. Let's just go to the patio and check out the plants. And also the salsa that we got from Trader Joe's. It's hold on, which one is it? This is extra hot habanero ghost pepper salsa, and my god guys, this is so delicious. And this is also very spicy, like how ghost pepper is spicy. That's spicy. Because usually I've tried so many other chips and other products where they say it has ghost pepper, but it's not at all spicy. Because ghost pepper is really spicy, so it has to give at least a good kick, but they are not. But this salsa is so good. I think I'm always gonna get it from Trader Joe's. So let's just go out. So he's the first one to go. Oh, he wants to go out whenever we open the door. Marva?
It's so big.
The peppers, right? Look at our green pepper plants. They're growing big. And we have this empty pot here because we transferred the palm to that tiny one, because it anyways has just 2 leaves, and there's like so much of soil in here. I don't know what we are going to do with the soil. Yeah. And then these plants and basil. Look at the cilantro. He loves to sit here and relax in the sun. जाओ नीचे लेके आओ।
इधर डाल दे तो तब तक।
जाओ लेके आओ।
Shut them outside and I pick it up.
I was just putting these curtains right here because these are our patio curtains and we washed them, dried them, and so he was just putting it, and you know what he did? He was taking out the rod. You can see this is one of the rod and that is the half rod over there, and he just pulled it, it fell down. Like, let me show you where it is. It's on top of that bush over there. He's gone down to pick it up. Right there, that thing, that black thingy, that is a rod. It fell down. Thank God no one was there. Yeah, it's on top of the bush. Yep, there. So yeah, this happened. So we always put curtains here because it's really hot outside. You cannot really sit without putting any curtains. So yeah, that's why. And it was so funny, he was just pulling it out and just it went like a swing and it fell down. But anyways, he's coming back. He's put the other half. We have like four curtains, two this side and two will go that side. Was anybody there?
Now see what Daddy did.
Mama, do you see what Daddy did? He was putting the curtain and everything flew away.
Daddy got this. Now if you do anything wrong, you're gonna be scolded. You go on your bed. You go on your bed.
Ah, good boy. You're such a good boy. Marvel, look at mommy.
Have you been misbehaving? Have you been misbehaving?
No, Daddy.
And you'll go such a good boy.
Let's put it back. Okay, so done with our walk with Marvel, and I'm gonna be making dinner. For dinner, I'm gonna be making shake. For Mayank, it's gonna be shake because he wants to eat light, and I'm gonna make oats for myself with blueberries and mango. We got frozen mango, like fresh frozen mango from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna do mango, and also I'm gonna add this. I got this almond milk. This is blueberry lavender flavored almond milk. So I'm gonna be using this. It's smooth and non-creamy, non-dairy beverage. So you can like just drink this in a glass, like chill it and drink it, or you can add it to your oats or cornflakes or whatever like that. So I'm gonna add it to my oats, and let me read one thing. Refrigerate after opening. Okay, that's what I wanted to know. So first I'm gonna make first I'm gonna make my oats and keep it. So I'm just gonna take normal plain oats, like the old-fashioned one. Here, old-fashioned Quaker oats. And I'm going to take half cup of it. Half cup of this milk, and then just heat it for 30 seconds and just leave it outside just to sit outside like for a minute, and then I'm gonna add my fruits, and that's it. I never add sugar to my oats or cereals or all of those things because I think it's really unnecessary to add sugar to everything, and it's just you're increasing your sugar. So, oh my god, this smells amazing. Whoa, this is the first time I'm gonna try this, and Oh my god, I think it's gonna be delicious. And I'm just going to heat this for 30 seconds. Right here in front of the fridge. Right. What are you doing over here? Hmm? More seconds. I hope you guys had an amazing Memorial Day long weekend. So do let me know in the comment section below what all you guys did. Did you go shopping or what did you do? Here is I cut it up into like big chunks and I kept it in the fridge, and I just kept this much outside so that Mayank can taste it. It is so delicious. So soft and so creamy. Oh my god, so good. I have a little bit of almond butter here, blueberry, mango and everything. It's going to be delicious. Oh my god. So good to try it. Let's go. Alright guys, right here. Marvel is right here. I don't know whether you guys can see him or not, but yeah, this. So anyways, it's time to end this vlog right now, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you.
And don't forget to watch our previous vlog.
Yeah, and don't forget to watch our previous vlogs. Previous vlog, how we met, our epic love story.
Yay!
Yes. So bye bye. Good night.
Good night.